Hi everyone, it is I. In this video I'm going to show you how to measure a wheel and I'm going to replace a flat tire. Okay, that's enough fun. Now we're going to be measuring the front wheel. Those of you with a showering gun will notice that the front tire is flat, which is why we'll be replacing it later on the video. For convenience, we'll be replacing the front wheel. My bike has a quick release on the front wheel, so you can remove it pretty easily. Your bike may be different. Okay, once we have removed the wheel, we're going to be transporting to a flat surface where we're going to be measuring it. I have exported the wheel onto my expensive Norwegian table from IKEA. We will now collect these measurements. First is the wheel size, which includes the diameter and the width. Second is the circumference. Let's start with the diameter. Place your tape measure in the center of the rim and then extend it outwards to the edge of the wheel, and that should give you your radius. The radius is 13 inches. We will use advanced mathematics to work out the diameter. Okay, here's where it gets a bit complicated. We're going to take the 13 and we're going to multiply it by 2. Can anyone guess the answer?
21?
Well, yes, but technically no. The answer is actually 26. Measuring from the top, we get the width of the bike, which is 1.75 inches. So far we have 26 inch by 1.75 inch for the diameter and the width. Using the previous measurements, we can work out the circumference of the wheel. Formula is 2 times pi times r, which gives us a circumference of 81 inches. We can confirm the circumference by measuring the outer wheel using the string method. And as expected, we got 81 inches. Using our measurements, we now know which tube we need for our bike. We'll start by removing the air cap. Also, remove any excess air from the tire. Now use a bike spatula to remove the tire from the wheel. Now repeat the same process on the other side. Now remove the tire completely from the bike. Now you have two options here. You can either repair the puncture or you can get a brand new tire. After attempting to repair the punctured tire, I could see no visible flaws, so I decided to get a brand new one. Now we can start installing the brand new tire onto the wheel. It might help to lightly pump the tire before installing it back into the wheel. Now let's assemble the tire back onto the wheel. Once the tire is fully fitted to the wheel, we can now attach it back to the bike. Now we can lock the wheel back into the bike. To my friends who are watching this, please do not bully me at school tomorrow. And to everyone else, thank you for watching. I hope you liked it.